Time to dive into Commercial Dishwasher Machine's Control Circuit. A control circuit is crucial for the efficient operation of a commercial dishwasher as it manages the machine's electrical and mechanical functions. Let's break down the key components and their roles in the circuit. Components of a control circuit. The control circuit of a commercial dishwasher typically consists of a control panel, sensors, timers, relays, and switches. The control panel allows the user to select different wash cycles, adjust settings, and monitor the progress of the wash cycle. Sensors detect parameters like water temperature and pressure to ensure the dishes are cleaned effectively. Timers regulate the duration of each cycle, while relays and switches control the flow of electricity to different components. Working of the control circuit. When a wash cycle is initiated, the control circuit activates the water inlet valve to fill the dishwasher with the required amount of water. The heating element is then turned on to heat the water to the desired temperature for effective cleaning. Detergent is dispensed at the appropriate time, and the spray arms are activated to distribute water and detergent evenly. The control circuit monitors the cycle progress and signals when the rinse cycle should begin, followed by draining and drying. Power supply. The control circuit begins with a reliable power source. In commercial dishwashers, this is typically a 220-volt or 380-volt AC power supply, depending on the machine's size. The power is distributed to various components through circuit breakers or fuses, ensuring protection from overcurrent or short circuits. Key points. Ensures safe power distribution, includes protection with fuses and circuit breakers. Control switches. Control switches allow the user to operate the dishwasher. These include the main power switch, stop buttons, and emergency stop switches. When the start button is pressed, the control circuit begins the operation cycle. The emergency stop switch provides a safety feature, allowing the machine to be quickly shut down in case of a problem. Key points. Main power and stop buttons control the operation. Emergency stop ensures safety. Sensors and inputs. Sensors monitor critical conditions in the dishwasher. Common sensors include water level sensors. These monitor the water levels and prevent the machine from running without enough water or overflowing. Temperature sensors ensure the water is heated to the right temperature for washing and sanitizing. Door sensors prevent operation when the door is not properly closed, ensuring safety. These inputs provide the necessary data for the control circuit to make decisions and manage the dishwasher's operations. Key points. Sensors monitor water levels, temperature, and door position inputs, ensure safe and efficient operation. Timers and relays. Timers in the control circuit regulate how long each phase of the dishwasher's operation lasts, such as how long the wash or rinse cycle should run. Relays act as switches, turning various parts of the machine on and off at the right times. Key points. Timers control the duration of wash and rinse cycles. Relays switch on motors, heaters, and valves as needed. Safety features. Safety is a key consideration in control circuits. Along with the emergency stop, the circuit is often designed with overload protection, thermal cutoffs, and short-circuit protection to prevent accidents and equipment damage. Key points. Overload protection and thermal cutoffs prevent overheating. Circuit breakers and emergency stops ensure user safety. Sequence of operation. The control circuit manages the sequence of operations in the dishwasher. Here's a simplified version. Step 1. The door closes and the start button is pressed. Step 2. The control circuit checks water levels and fills the machine. Step 3. Heaters activate to bring water to the desired temperature. Step 4. The wash pump circulates water through spray arms. Step 5. After the wash cycle, the water is drained. Step 6. The rinse cycle begins, and the machine is refilled with clean, hot water. Step 7. Water is drained, and the machine shuts down after the cycle is complete. Key points. The control circuit manages the step-by-step operation of the dishwasher. Each component is activated at the right time based on inputs and logic. Thank you for attending this course on commercial dishwashers. I hope you've gained valuable insights into their components, functions, and operation, helping you to master the use of dishwashers in a professional kitchen environment.